take a look at this classic truck here at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1952 Ford F600. Dump box on it. Retains the flathead V8 underneath the hood. 4-speed manual transmission. We'll get around to the driver's door here in just a bit. Climb in there, start it up, let's hear it run, check out underneath the hood. Had a V-plow set up on it. That's what the brackets and apparatus in the front is for. If you want to take your time looking through the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video and the description is going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Believed to be original miles. Odometer shows 18,277. It was on the same acreage or farm for long term. The box on this is a Heil manufacturing box, which may sound familiar if you know your garbage trucks, you might say. Manufactured out of Milwaukee. Company that started back in the early 1900s. There you can see it right there. Some cool history, and that is a vintage 1952 box as well on it. Hydraulic. Dual rear wheels. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation also. This vehicle, you'll be able to see in the box in the still pictures. You'll be able to see the undersides, engine bay interior. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. Serial number and the manufacturing plate right here for the actual box. Let's take a look at this interior. Very clean truck. I mean, obviously, the paint's not perfect on it, but it's one of those where it's fitting of the truck. Perfect, no, but does it look very nice and kind of consistent with the age of the vehicle, I guess you might say. Rubber flooring, vinyl seat. Previous owner did label some of the things in here for us, and we're gonna go through those here in just a second. Let me climb in here. All right, as you can see, wipers up here. Starter button, of course, this one down here. You can see headlights. Plow lights are down below. Throttle, choke. There's a fuel pump that has been installed. Fuel pump switch here. These are for the front raising and lowering if we did have a plow on there. PTO, so it does have a hydraulic PTO. This is for the dump box. And of course, 4-speed manual. First is a granny gear, of course, and then 3 speeds after that also. So let's go ahead and turn the key on. Set the fuel pump and starter button. Shouldn't need to choke at ring doors here. Choke does work though. Fires up easily. Again, flathead V8 powered. Pretty stock looking interior. See a heater underneath the dash there. Just got to make sure we're neutral. Oh, 2-speed rear axle also. So 2-speed rear axle there. Almost forgot that one. And there's what it shows for miles, 18,277. Again, believed to be original. I can't confirm or deny that. Door closes nicely. Slip back here so you can kind of hear it run. I think you get a lot of use out of this truck yet. Or maybe use it for parades. There's some people riding the back. A little candy throwing action. Maybe you want to use it for advertising of a business. Lots of uses for this. You just have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows with it. I'm going to pause this. Let's see if we can get this hood open. At least take a peek at the engine bay. Alright, hood open. Get a peek underneath there. See some wiring for the marker lights in the hood. Turn signals. There you go. There's that flathead V8. Look at that. smooth run.
There's a battery disconnect back here for when it's in storage or not in use.
(1952) Ford F600. That 3-yard box by Heil. Hydraulic PTO. 4-speed with a flathead. UniqueClassicCars.com. 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1952 Ford F600 dump truck. Gotta say it's the first dump truck I've driven. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Some of our features are labeled on the dash with some tape for wipers, lights, throttle. There is a pull-out throttle. There's a choke. Fuel pump switch, you want to have that on. There is an aftermarket blinker attached to the column. When I flip that left, the left turn signal lights up, but it does not blink. Got a little traffic. I'm going to take off in second because first is really low gear. Our passenger side windshield wiper works, the driver's side does not move. We got a little bit of play in the steering wheel on this truck. A little bit of vibration. On the speedometer we're doing 35 miles an hour. Can't say I've seen too many 1952 Ford F600s. Got a flathead V8 under the hood. Our temperature gauge is showing 1/4 of the way up from cold. Battery is charging at over half the gauge. The fuel gauge shows just about empty. Oil pressure is at about 45 or 50.